Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. For those of you that are new, my name is Anna and this is Home and Garden with Anna.
Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm gonna come out. Yeah.
We're not outside still. I have another indoor project to share with you guys. This one's exciting. I've been talking about a bunk room for quite some time, and today it's finally going to happen. I'm standing in a freshly painted bedroom. This is the color White Sand by Sherwin-Williams, and I did film this for you guys, but I deleted the footage like a dope, so you guys don't get to see me do that, but it's just paint. Also, you'll notice there's no TV on the big wall. Ernie replaced the TV over here on this wall. I'll give you guys the lay of the land so that you guys will get an idea of what our plans are. Furniture comes today. Very excited about that. We did purchase furniture from a furniture store, rooms to go. They're coming, doing all the setup and all of that, and then we get to decorate, which is my favorite part. Very excited. Artwork comes today. We have the table we're gonna put together right now that's going to go underneath the TV, and chairs come tomorrow. So let me show you what our plans are. Okay, so this is a 11 by 20 size room, and we have this window here, which you can see is not centered on this wall. We have another window over here, and this is really the only spot that I can get beds in. So I ordered 2 sets of bunk beds, and one of those sets has a trundle underneath so I can sleep at least 5 kids. We didn't order a second trundle because there would be no way to use both of them at the same time. 5 kids can sleep in here comfortably, 6 if we put the babies in one and want another grandchild to stay. And we have this area over here, which you guys are in, which we can put an air mattress if all the grandkids are here at one time, if I'm so blessed for that to happen, and they all want to stay in this room. So this is going to be the sleeping quarters, if you will. And the way the beds are designed is when they're set up, they're going to create kind of like a wall here because the footboard goes all the way up and it's solid. Here's the door here. The walls, if you will be like this. There'll be an opening and then another wall. Just visually, if you guys can get that, this is how I think, which would create a TV viewing area over here. We're gonna put a table here, and then I have 2 chairs coming for this area right here, and I have a great wall for some really nice artwork to go here. I do wanna do more artwork above each of the beds, but I'm gonna wait until everything's in place to see what size or what type of art I want to get. That's really the only space that I have to put artwork. That comes today and I'm excited about it. The room has been deep cleaned. I cleaned the windows. We're not putting up any curtains because it's a kid's room. We have these beautiful shutters. Because this window here is not centered on the wall, one of the bunk beds is going to sit in front of this window here by a little bit. I'm not sure, maybe by a lot. That's just how it is here. In order to get as many kids sleeping in one room as possible, to have a bunk room, a proper bunk room, without having it designed and built on site, custom, we had to go with what we could get. You guys are gonna see it all come together. We need to hurry up and get started because they're gonna be here in just a few hours with the furniture, and Ernie really wants to get this table all put together for TV viewing area. So let's go ahead and start with that first. Ernie and I are both very impressed with this side table, sofa table, not sure what it's called, but we measured and we found the exact size that we needed and color combo that we wanted at Walmart.com. So this is from Walmart, very well made furniture. I would be proud to put this in any space in my home. It's beautiful, you guys. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is a nautical blue and it's got, you know, the wood tone on top. I will tell you that online, the blue was a little bit more vibrant and the wood a little bit lighter in the pictures, but you can expect that from, you know, when you're purchasing. I'll make sure to do a review about that because it's very helpful when I do reviews and I hear people say stuff like that, but I didn't see anything that said that. I thought everything was true to color, but either way, we're happy with it. It's beautiful. Fits perfectly. I want to get some baskets for underneath, but I needed to wait so that I could measure the space, just like I did downstairs for the entryway table. And that way, when I go to purchase baskets, I can get the right size for underneath there. But it's beautiful, looks lovely. What a great little TV watching area. I can't wait to get the chairs, the artwork, and the bed. The beds are next. Okay guys, we got all the beds made. They look so good. I'll give you guys a final look when we're done with the whole room. I didn't put any of the bedding except for the sheet and the mattress cover on the trundle because you won't be able to slide it in and out. Anyways, I love it. That was a lot of work though. I'm definitely gonna need help to strip these beds, wash the sheets, and remake them, which will happen probably every other or every 2 visits. I'm not doing that every time they come. That was a lot of work. But Ernie was smart. He said, let's take the mattresses off, get them done, and put them back up, and that worked out good. Anyways, it's coming together exactly the way I planned for it, and that feels good. So when I come back, we're gonna be installing the chairs, the artwork, and all of that. So don't go away. Okay, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to give you guys some final shots of everything, but really quick before my mic dies, because my mics are dying again. This artwork, I wanted it to be stacked on top of each other, and I still think it would look good, even if some of it was behind this chair. But I have to take into account that I have a almost 3-year-old and 5-year-old that are going to be up here, and they were up here. After the beds got installed that night, the kids spent the night, or they spent the weekend here. They spent all of their time up here, and they loved it. You'll see in the final shots that my granddaughter has placed all her toys under the TV table, the TV console. Ernie and I looked for baskets, and we couldn't find any, so I'm going to have to order those online for the toys, but they're fine. She has them all arranged. I'm going to leave them just like that for her. But they loved their bedroom. Just so you know, I can give you guys that. They absolutely loved it. It worked out beautifully. Anyways, Ernie and I are super happy with it, and the kids are too, and that's what matters. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for staying till the end and enjoy the final shots. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.